Start by confirming the restroom is ready for use and meets the client standard. Begin at the door and work clockwise to keep inspections systematic and efficient. Smell the space from the entry and near each fixture to detect lingering chemical odors or organic sources. Neutralize persistent smells with ventilation and odor-neutralizing products rather than masking fragrances. Check all dispensers for soap, paper towels, feminine hygiene supplies, and toilet tissue and refill items, so no partially filled units remain that will fail during use. Note brand and size to maintain supply consistency. Open and inspect under sinks and behind toilets for leaks, drips, or water stains, and dry any damp areas. Then document and tag any continuing plumbing issues for maintenance. Verify that trash receptacles are emptied, liners replaced, and that liners are the correct thickness to avoid breaks when servicing. Wipe high-touch and high-visibility surfaces with the appropriate cleaner and verify streak-free finishes on mirrors and chrome by viewing from multiple angles under good lighting. Finally, check floor drains, grout lines, and vents for debris or buildup, and perform spot cleaning or report for deeper maintenance if residues remain. The three most common issues are mist, odors, hidden leaks, and incomplete consumables. For odors, do not rely on a single sniff. Check near drains, under counters, and inside stall vents, then treat the source and improve air exchange. For leaks, always physically inspect under all fixtures and behind toilets, tighten connections when safe to do so, and create a maintenance request when you find persistent moisture. For consumables, avoid topping off at the beginning of the week and instead establish a minimum fill threshold so items are consistently stocked and record the refill in your cleaning log. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by providing a centralized place to share project needs and availability. We also host a discussion community on the site where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and discuss best practices related to maintenance and inspections.